Foshan Juyu established in 2000, located in Foshan, enjoying convenient transportation and beautiful environment. Our company occupies an area of 30,000 square meters. We are specialized in supplying metal bed frame, adjustable bed, upholstery bed, folding bed, Murphy bed, and bed accessories. Our products export over 75 countries all over the world. We offer OEM, ODM, and OBM service. Our factory has passed ISO 9001 factory audit, and our products have earned Pro 65 testing reports. Besides, we are making great efforts to develop new products to meet market demands. We have a talented R&D team to keep developing 30 new items per year. Meanwhile, our sales team delivers excellent service with efficient communication and rapid responses. Also, we brought in a lot of advanced auto equipment to enhance our production efficiency and lower our after-sales cost. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. Meanwhile, as we develop deeply in this field so many years, our supply chain continues improving and keep pace with our development. Until now, we have a fruitful sources which makes us more competitive on the pricing, service, and quality. We warmly welcome customers